In this video, I'll show you how to post on your Instagram story and Facebook story at the same time. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then tap Accounts Center. Next, tap Connected Experiences. Now select Sharing across profiles. If your Facebook account is not added yet, tap Add Account and log in. After that, select your Instagram account from the list. Here you will see the Share to option. Turn on Instagram Stories so your stories will automatically share to Facebook. You can also enable this for posts and reels if you want. Now go back to Instagram and upload a story. Before posting, press and hold the Story Share button. Make sure Facebook Story is selected. My Facebook account currently not available. Then tap Share. Your story will now be posted on both Instagram and Facebook at the same time. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and fixes.